Do you need a clean way to run MCP backends on Google Cloud? In this project, we implement a reusable MCP pattern using Cloud Functions and JWT-based authorization. Follow along, and in minutes, you'll have a working backend that any AI client can use to call your serverless tools on Google Cloud. Let's walk through the architecture before we build. We start with the AI client, Claude Desktop, issuing MCP tool calls over standard JSON RPC. Those calls are picked up by a lightweight MCP proxy. It acts as a bridge, converting local MCP requests into HTTPS calls. The proxy uses a service account key to obtain an OIDC token, so every request is authenticated before it leaves the local machine. On the back end, each MCP tool is implemented as a serverless cloud function. From there, it uses its service account permissions to query Google Cloud, in this case, Cloud Asset Inventory, and returns the results. So to the AI, this looks like a local MCP server. But in reality, every request is securely routed to a serverless backend in Google Cloud. That's the core pattern. Go to the GitHub link in the video description, clone the repository, and run the check env script to verify all prerequisites. If you need help setting up Google and Terraform, check out our Google setup video. Once that's done, run the apply script to start the build. The build has completed, so let's head into the console and see what was deployed. A serverless cloud function is deployed as the entry point for all MCP tool calls. All requests are secured with an OIDC bearer token on every call. A dedicated service account is created for the proxy to authenticate against the API. The proxy uses the service account key to acquire and cache OIDC tokens for request authentication. All tool logic is implemented in Python, with each handler querying Google Cloud services. A central tool registry defines all available tools, which the proxy loads dynamically at startup. Finally, client configuration files are generated, allowing the MCP client to connect to the backend. First, update your AI client configuration. Here I'm using Claude Desktop. On Windows, PowerShell 7th is required. Make sure the pwsh command is available. Restart the client and confirm it recognizes the serverless MCP. Now let's try it. Show me all my cloud functions. You'll get a complete list across the project. Next, ask for details on the MCP cloud function. Now you'll get a full description of that function. Finally, ask it to interpret what this function does. Here it correctly identifies this as an AI assistant backend. Once you've finished evaluating this project, run the destroy script to clean up all resources.